Everyone. So in the last video we have discussed some logical operations and how they are performed, right? So in this video we will discuss about bitwise operators. Okay, so bitwise, as we know, all the data items are stored in the computer's memory in the sequence of bits, that is 0 and 1. Okay, so everything will be stored in the computer memory as 0 and 1. So here several applications which need the manipulation of bits. If you want to manipulate bits also, okay, then how the bits are manipulated? As we manipulate arithmetic operations, logical, relational, okay, so same thing we can also manipulate the bits, that is a bitwise operator. But the bitwise operators are manipulated only in a machine level language or in assembly level language. Okay, and here the C program provide 6 types of a bitwise operator. Okay, and these operators are only work with integer type and character type of data. They cannot be used with the floating point of data. Okay, so the bitwise operator can only work with integer type and a character type of data. Okay, so in bitwise operator just we will see how the bits are manipulated and how they are carried out. Okay, so by using some operators we will see how the bitwise operators are performed, right? So here there are 6 types of a bitwise operator. So in this table I have given the operator name, symbol and the meaning of that operator. The first operator is a ampersand, that is a single and symbol. So in logical operator we have seen double ampersand symbol, that is a logical AND, but here you should use only single ampersand sign, that is a bitwise AND. And a single pipeline is used bitwise OR. Then caret, that is exclusive OR or XOR. Tilde operator is for one's complement, and double less than is for left shifting of bits. Then double greater than is for right shifting of bits. Okay, so already we have discussed that bitwise AND, bitwise OR and bitwise XOR, and the extra 3 bitwise operators are tilde, left shifting bits and right shifting bits. Now we will see one by one. Okay, so here as we know, bitwise AND means the result of bitwise AND is 1 when both the bits are 1, otherwise it is 0. Okay, when the inputs are both the bits are 1, then only the result will be 1, otherwise the result will be always 0. That is bitwise AND operator. Bitwise OR means the result of bitwise OR is 1 if one of the bit is 1 and other is 0, otherwise it is 0. If any one bit is 1, then the result will be always 1, otherwise it is 0. Bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR, here if the bits are different, that is if one bit is 1 and another bit is 0, or one bit is 0 and another bit is 1, then only the result will be always 1, otherwise the result is 0. If both the bits are same, that is 0 0 or 1 1 or true true or a false false, then the result will be always 0. If the bits are different, then only the result will be 1, otherwise it is 0. That is bitwise XOR. Okay, next bitwise complement. So bitwise complement means again it is an unary operator that reverses the state of each bit within an integer or a character. Okay, so it just reverses the state of each bit in the integer or a character. Okay, suppose the bit is 1, then it reverses the result of that bit is 0. If the bit is 0, then the reverse of that bit is 1. Okay, that is a complement of the each bit, that is bitwise complement. Next is a left shift operator. So left shift operator, it shifts all the bits towards left by a certain number of specified bits. Okay, so the how many number of bits you are going to shift, so you have to mention the number of bits and it shift all the bits towards left and the bit position that have been vacated by the left shift operator are filled with a 0. Okay. So, how many bits they are going to shift, in that place the 0 will be filled, okay, whether it is left shift or a right shift. And right shift means, again here the right shift operator shifts all bits towards right by certain number of specified bits. Okay. So, here also the vacated positions are filled with a 0. Okay. Left shift means the bits are shifted towards left, and the right shift the bits are shifted towards right, okay, with the specified number of bits. Okay. How many numbers are going to shift, that is 1, 2, like that, right. So, these are the number of operators, that is a bitwise operator, and or XOR, complement, left shift and right shift. Okay. So, here in this we will see how the bits are manipulated. So, the first one is AND operation. Okay. So, here I have taken two decimal number, that is 12 and 25. If your computer is 8-bit computer, the architecture of your computer is 8-bit, then you have to take 8 digits of the binary number. Okay. So, the binary number of 12 is 00001100, that is in binary, and the binary number of 25 is 000110001. Okay. So, I think you all know the conversion of a decimal to binary or a binary to decimal. Okay. Next, we will now manipulate 12 and 25 by using bitwise AND operator. Okay. So, here I have written the decimal number 12 into binary and the decimal number 25 into binary. Okay. Now, perform. So, first we will start from the right side. Okay. So, the first bit is 0 and the second bit is 1. Okay. In AND operation, if any one bit is 0, then the result is 0. Okay. If both bits are 1, then only the result will be 1. Okay. So, here from the right side, 0 1 0, 0 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1, 0 1 0, 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 0 0. Okay. So, this is the result, and after manipulating into again decimal, you will get 8, that is a decimal, that is 1 0 0 0, 2 raised to 3, that is a 8. This is a manipulation of a AND, bitwise AND operation. Okay. So, next bitwise OR operation. So, again I have taken the same example. Okay. So, what happens in bitwise OR? If any one bit is 1, then the result will be 1, otherwise it is 0. So, 0 1 1, 0 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 1, 0 1 1, 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 0 0. Okay. And after manipulating, so the result you will get into decimal, that is a 29. Okay. So, 2 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0. Okay. Then you will calculate and you will get the result, that is 29 as a decimal number. Okay. Now, bitwise XOR. So, what is bitwise XOR? So, XOR means if both bits are different, then the result will be 1. If both bits are same, then the result is 0. Okay. Here also I have taken the same example, it is 12 and 25. Okay. So, to manipulate, which operator we use for XOR? Caret. Okay. So, here in the first step 0 1, that is both bits are different, 0 1, then the result will be 1, 0 0 0, here both bits are same, then 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 0 1 1, 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 0 0. Okay. This is the manipulation of a bitwise XOR operation, and after manipulating you will get 1 0 1 0 1, that is 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0. Then you will get 21 is the decimal number. Okay. So, these are the manipulation of a bitwise operations, bitwise AND operation, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR. Okay. So, about the complement, bitwise complement, left shift operator and a right shift operator, we will discuss in the next video. Okay. So, thank you.